Hello guys, welcome to Art City. Today's activity is really very simple, but it is really very fun filled. All you need is just a few things and a lot of imagination. So today we are gonna do thumb painting. So I'll just let you know what all material you need for this, okay? So the first thing that you need is a piece of sheet. So it could be any color sheet. You just need one. I took two just to show you different types. And next what you need is a paint. It could be any shade. I took white. You can take any other shade if you want. And we just need one. So you don't need all the colors. I mean all the shades. So we just need one. And if you don't have paints at home, you can either use a crayon or a pencil color or any other marker that you have at home. So it's not that you need to use just the paint for this, okay? So I'm going to show you both with the paint as well as with these mediums. Next thing, if you're using paint, you will need is a brush. It could be any number brush. It doesn't really matter. It could be any number. Then you need something to pour in the paint. I was using the plastic cup, so I'm just going to use this as well. The next thing you need is marker. You can either use Sharpie if you have, you can use any other marker, but it should be black, okay? Okay, so now let's get started. I'm just going to show you first with the paint and then with the other mediums, okay? So I'm just going to use the purple sheet for the paint. So just pour in a few drops of paint in whatever thing you have, a palette or just like me, a plastic glass. Now since this is a thumb painting, of course, we are going to paint the thumb impressions. So just take a little bit of paint on the brush and you have to paint your thumb. Don't just put like too much paint or too less that the impression doesn't even, print on the sheet. Just take a generous amount, okay? And like this. And I'm just gonna print the impression on the sheet. Just press it. There you go. And remember guys, you don't need to use water for this activity because if you dilute the paint, it will be not good. The impressions won't come out nice, okay? So just take one more time and then just press it and there you go. I still have paint on the brush, so just apply it again and I'm gonna do it this way. There you go. Okay, so we need a few of the thumb impressions this way and this way, both. So I'm just going to wipe off the paint off my thumb. And I have a sheet here which I'm painted beforehand just to save time. So as you can see, I have a few shapes this way, this way, this and this. This of course, like I think you must have guessed it, but we'll continue with this. First, I'm gonna show you how to make the thumb impressions with the other medium if you don't have paint on you, okay? So let me take the white sheet that I have here. So all you need is, if you're using a crayon, thumb impression, that means just an oval shape. So just draw an oval shape with the color. Don't color it too hard, there is no need. If you want, you can, but there is no need. So just make an oval shape. Here you go with the pencil color. It doesn't have to be really very perfect. Just make an oval shape and then just fill in the color. Okay? And no need to darken it and no need to, be really very perfect with it. If you want, you can darken it, but you don't have to. And then with the marker, There you go. Okay. All right. So I'm going to put this sheet aside and I'm going to show you how to make different shapes on the one that we used paint on. Okay, so let's go. Now what we need is we need our black marker. Okay, so first of all, out of this, just outline it. Again, you don't have to be perfect. I'm gonna make a honeybee out of this, okay? So just make eyes here. Honeybee, as we know, has like black lines here. Of course it is yellow. If you want, you can use the exact color. Like if you want, you use the yellow color if you want. I just use like white color for all the shapes, but if you want, you can use like yellow for the butterfly or red for the flower if you're making. It really depends on you. And here goes the wings. That's it. That's the honeybee. Now let's try and make a face. Just draw the eyes, a small little nose, a smile, ears. I'm making it a girl, so I'm just gonna make a pony here. For the next one, let's try and make a fruit. So I'm gonna make a pineapple. And if you want, you can put in some details. So the pineapple has all these lines here, right? There you go. Next one, I'm gonna make a balloon. As simple as that. If you want, you make some design in it. There you go. Okay, so now from this one, let's try and make a crab. Okay. The 6 legs that it has. Let's make the eyes here. And let's make a smile. There you go. So that's a crab. Next will be very simple. Just make a tree. There you go. And you can like draw some grass. That's it. The next one will be a flower. You can keep experimenting. That's why I said we need like a lot of imagination for this. And the leaf. There you go. And just to give a little bit of detailing. And there you go. All right. Now next will be, let's make a chocolate. Everybody loves it, right? There you go. As simple as that. Now, I'm just gonna make a cute little bunny out of this one. There you go. This one, I'm gonna make a cute little bird. Just make the legs the wings and the tail. As simple as that. And this one, I think everybody must have guessed it, of course. As I said, you don't have to be really very perfect. That's it. Grapes. This one will be a cute butterfly. And just make any pattern in that, and there you go. So that's the butterfly. So you can make more shapes, more thumb impressions, and try to create some more things, different shapes, different things, animals, birds, faces out of it. And same will be for this one. So you just have to, again, let me show you how we made the honeybee the same way as we did for the paint. Just use the marker. That's it. Okay, so I hope you guys had fun. So just draw some more things, show it to your parents. You can draw it on different cards if you want, greeting cards or anything on like that. Okay, and then I'll see you next time. Thank you. Hope you have enjoyed it. Bye bye.